Because you look kind of fat.
Very what?
Oh, shit.
Bachelor number 2. Same question.
If you were a booger, I'd pick you first.
Okay, last question. Bachelor number 1. This is a bit of a long one. If you were suddenly transported to the sun because of an evil scheme devised by an evil Russian dictator and asked to take off your clothes and make love to the burning sun, and then recite the presidents in alphabetical order by their middle name while juggling 11 midgets holding some cans between their front teeth, that will be operated on by 86 people Czechoslovakian dentists named Marcus, who got their degrees studying the taste buds of Tom Selleck at a college named after some guy who wasted away his life by eating pork rinds naked in his mom's basement while searching for pictures of Kirsten Dunst to use for purposes that cannot be explained by the 1972 junior high school class of some school that no one cares about in eastern Idaho, where woodland creatures choose to spend their lives trying to recreate some bad 1940s surf opera instead of frolicking happily in the woods.